Hey everyone, I'm Malia from Shoppers Drug Mart, and today I'll be showing you how to do this invisible glitter liner look. To start, I'm going to be using the shade Juicy from the Naked Cherry palette and just blending it into my outer crease. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Bing and just put it right under where I put the last shade. And don't worry about being too precise, I'm going to clean it up with some concealer after. I'm going back in with the shade Devilish and I'm just putting it right under my crease and I'm deepening that up and I'm going to bring it down my eye as well. Take some concealer and very carefully I'm going to create a half cut crease and just blend that into my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the shade Hotspot and just put it all over my lid and blend it into that pink shade. Now I'm going to go in with a concealer and just basically draw where you usually would draw a liner and blend it into your skin. Taking Bing, I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line. Going in with my Urban Decay glitter liner, I'm just going to put it right where my half cut crease is and the line. Now I'm just going to put on some lashes. I already put on some mascara, so I plop those on and make sure they stick. Alright guys, that was it. That's the invisible glitter liner look. I hope you guys enjoyed.